Okay, so what we're going to do here is show you quickly how to create a pick list in Salesforce. So what you'll do is open up Setup, so click on the gear icon and then click Setup as it opens in the next page. For this, we actually want to come along here to the Object Manager. So on the tab just to the right of Home, if we click on Object Manager, now obviously we can create a pick list for any of the different objects we have. So for this one I'm just going to choose lead as a different option, so I'm going to set up a new salutation pick list. So what this will do here, you'll come across to leads, you come down to fields and relationships on the left hand side. Now we're going to create a new one here, so ignore the ones that we've already got and just click new here at the top. So you'll see all of the different field types that you can choose. So we want to scroll down here to pick list. There's two options you can have. For this one, there's only one value that I can really have for the salutation. So I'm going to click pick list. But if you want to have one where there's more than one option that you can choose, just choose the pick list multi-select. But then come down and click next in the right hand corner, the bottom right hand corner. Now what you do here is you're just going to name it what you need it. So for this, salutation, and then for the description, so you'll see here you want to click enter values with each value separated by a new line. So for this you'd put Mr, then on a new line Mrs, Ms, and you could do some others as well, but make sure it's on a new line. And what you'll do is you'll come down here and click next. Then you can choose the security, but we'll just leave that as is. Click next again, and then if you want to do another one after this, you click save and new, but for this you would just click save, and then you've created your new pick list.